What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday was Sunday. I got up late and my mother is working on home. I help my mother and in evening I go to play cricket with my friends and come home, eat dinner and go to bed and sleep.
What are your weekend activities?
Weekend activity, firstly I woke up 6 p.m. and my friend is calling me to play cricket and I go with my friends to play cricket. When I come home, my father say, go home, eat lunch and come to shop.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Abdul Jabbar Advocate. He is a very good person. He teach us English. He learn he I learn with him English. He explain everyone in detail.
Describe your bedroom.
My bedroom is a small but neat and clean. There have one bed and one study table. I like my room.